Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at variables. What is variables is like you may have seen in 7th grade or 8th grades, like even early ages. If x is equal to 28, then x take the place of 28, right? Whenever let's say you say x is equal to 10, y is equal to 11, so x plus y is what? 21, because x takes the place of 10, y takes the place of 11. Like that, we have those kind of things on Java as well. Now we are going to see how to do that. This is my main function and class, and then after that I'm gonna assign a variable. Let's create a double variable, because double mean you can create with decimal points. I put a name for this, let's say coffee, and then I assign a number for this one. Coffee is equal to 5.28. okay, and after that I'm gonna print out this one on screen. So system.out.print coffee, and then we are done. After this we are done. Now when I go and click the screen play button, my class name is boy, so I click this one. Okay, proceed. 5.28. You can see we want to print out this coffee take the value of 5.28. that's what the variable is. Now here we are going to do something more. Okay, I copy this one, like copy and paste it right here. Let's say I want this much movies. Okay, so if you want to print a text, you have to put within a quote mark I want, and then this coffee assigns the number, and again I want to print another text. Here I put movies, 5.28 movies, and if you want a gap, you have to leave a gap after coffee and then movies. Now let's go ahead and see. And also I have to show a difference between print and print line. Print line usually ln, print comes as just print. There's a difference between that. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Okay, now I want 5.28 movies. The reason it's coming without gap is I should have left a gap like this. Now now you can see it's coming as good. Now the next thing is we are going to see what's the difference between print and print line. Print line is basically like, let's say you want to type the next paragraph on the next line. That's why we put print line. If you put something below this, let's paste one more time, Command V, and here I'm gonna just type some name. Okay, let's put apples or apple. Okay, and when I run this again, you can see there's apple is in the next line. It's because we used print line. Print line always bring it to the next line. And that's all in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you guys later, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next tutorial.